Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here all we have to do is to scroll down to find the proper section, which is either users and accounts or Google. It's basically up to you which one you prefer. However, I'd like to share with you this tutorial with the usage of the users and accounts, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it. Just tap on it and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account. If you're sure, tap on OK, and sometimes you will have to verify that it is you, so let's do it. And as you can see, the Google account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.